Hi developers, I'm Stefan Bertos, and in this video I will speak about the tools which you can use to create various types of diagrams. Let's jump into the topic. I have prepared a review for 3 tools which you can use. So the first tool is called Enterprise Architect. It is from Spark Systems, and I've been using this tool for a long time already. And as said, it is really meant for architects or developers who need to create a lot of diagrams, various types of diagrams, like they have on their page, from class diagrams to behavior diagrams to UX diagrams and various other types of business processes, and whatever you can think about, they most probably have it. It is a desktop tool. They have various editions, and what can I say about that? Yeah, so if you learn how to do this, it is quite a good tool for standard modeling, but sometimes it is crashing, or it was for my projects. Sometimes it is slow, but it's very powerful. It has a lot of options. So that's the first tool which I recommend. And not only for architects, as well for developers or designers. Now the second one, one more to that. It's obvious that this is a tool which you need to buy. Yeah, it is not really free. They have a free trial, but you need to buy a license, and it's not a cheap one. So it's not a cheap tool. They have various type of licenses. They also have a cloud server where you can store a repository for basically for diagrams if you are in the large corporation. So let's jump to the second tool. Second one is Archie, or Archie modeling, and this one is free, open source, so you can use it freely. It has a similar functionality, maybe not so nice. A desktop GUI, maybe not so nice. Diagrams are coming out of this tool, but I think it's also usable. I just tried some simple small diagrams some time ago. So if you need, some tool which you can easily draw, you need it for free, yeah, just try it out. So that's my second option. And the third option, I think, is the best one and the easiest one. The name for this tool is Diagramsnet, or App Diagrams. It has a desktop version, but I'm usually using the online version. So you can create a new diagram, you can change the storage, so you can store the diagram file on various devices, local or on GitHub, OneDrive, Google Drive. So let's store it for the local device. Let's click on the new diagram. And I usually use this tool for the cloud diagrams because they have a nice support for the cloud products and services. So let's pick GCP, and let's pick one of the GCP templates. We can store this locally like a test, and now we have a template which is pre-created for us with nice Google-like icons. As you see, you can get a desktop version as well if you like, but for me it's also enough if I use the one which is online. Yeah, don't forget to press save if you are working with that, so you don't lose the changes. And what I wanted to show is how easy it is to work with the tool. So let's shift this and let's add another Google product, like, I don't know, something which we want. For example, some kind of cloud function. Let's add it here. And let's say we have a direct interface from outside, so you will just find a pin from where you want and then connect to your component, and voila, that's it. You can rename it to whatever your name you like. You can obviously change style, text, arrange it, and so on as in the normal ones. And again, let's save it. Obviously, GCP is one of the supported ones. You can get more shapes from other vendors like AWS, Azure, and so on. So they have enough, I think, icons for various cloud vendors, and I think they cover all of the products which they have, and it's really easy to create a fancy and nice looking diagram for cloud, for example, with this tool. So I'm using this heavily for my projects and diagrams, and it's really a nice and a good tool to work. It's very user friendly, I would say. So I didn't have any problems with that yet. Yeah, and if you want to export, yeah, when you are finished, then go to export as, for example, PNG, export, for example, locally, and that's it. You have it exported, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, that easy it is to work with this tool. So I can just recommend it. It's very simple tool, yeah, but also very powerful, and the diagrams are very, very nice if you follow some rules. And yes, yeah, that's it, yeah, for today's video. I just wanted to show you these three tools: Enterprise Architect, Archie, or drawio. And yeah, I think the best one for beginners, or if you want to just quickly draft some diagrams, it's in the drawio. So please take a look, please try it if you like. And yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe. Maybe also click on the like button as you wish. And that's all, folks. Yeah. Thank you and bye.